Well, hello guys. In this video I'm gonna show you how can you increase the memory on your HD7 uh, made by HTC. It's the Windows model. It only comes with 16 gigabytes of internal memory, which you can upgrade, but you are gonna void your warranty in case you mind that. Then you are not going to be able to do that. But if you don't mind voiding your warranty and you only care about the memory that you have available for your music, videos, and everything else, then go ahead and do this process. It's a pretty simple process. What you're gonna need, it's a hexagonal tool, which I show right here. I don't know if you really can see that. Okay, well, this is a hexagonal screwdriver. This is a flat screwdriver, small one. All right, and you need your upgrade memory card, which it's micro SD. I have a 32 gigabyte right here available for that, and so I'm gonna show you how to do this thing. First step, you're gonna pop the back door right here. Okay. All right. You remove this. Put it aside. You remove your battery. Okay. All right. And then you're gonna encounter here a couple of screws here, which is you're gonna see right here. There is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then there's a couple other ones in this bottom part, which you're gonna have to take it off. There you go. It just pops out. Easy. There you go. So we have all those parts separate from the phone, and then you're gonna end up with this back part. There is some other screws right here. We have another one here and another one right here. All right, you go ahead and remove those screws, which I already have done for most of the screws for time's sake of this video. So I'm just going to remove the ones missing here. Let's go ahead and remove this. Once you remove all the screws, this back part is going to become loose. Okay, so you just pop it here, and that's why I use this, because you don't want to break nothing. So you just go tight around the edges and pop it like that. Pop it like that, like that. There you go. Pops out easy. So you put this piece on side. All right, and you're gonna find your memory card right here. Okay, let's see if you can see there. It's not focusing enough. Okay, well, you're gonna find it right here. So what you're gonna do, you have to take this tape, metallic tape. They have it here to protect the memory card here. You take it off. Easy, there you go. And you're gonna find your memory card right there. You can slide that memory card out. All right, slide it out. Careful, don't want to mess up anything else. So there you go. You got your 16 gigabyte memory that comes with the phone. But if you know 16 gigabytes is not enough memory for all the music and videos that you want. And they say that you cannot upgrade it because it's internal and, you know, blah blah blah, like everything else Microsoft does. And there you go. I got the 32 gigabytes here. So you just pop that inside there. All right, there you go. If you want to protect it, then you paste the metallic tape back if you want to. If not, then just remove it if you want to. So then it's just gonna lose all the glue. All right, and that's it. You have upgraded your memory from 16 gigabytes up to I think it holds up to 64 gigabytes. I only have the 32 gigabytes because I found that enough memory for all my needs. So there you go. That's the way you